Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make V-Bucks cookies from Fortnite. Alright, well these cookies are going to come in 3 different steps. So I'm going to tell you 3 different steps of ingredients. First, for the cookie, you can do any sugar cookie cutouts that you want. I am going to use 1 cup of butter softened, which is 2 sticks, 1½ cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 large egg, 2 1/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a dash of salt, and that is going to be for the cookies. And then you have some like royal icing that we're going to make to put on top of the cookies. That's going to be 1½ cups of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 2 to 4 tablespoons of milk. I'll tell you why there's a big difference there in a minute. And then if you have gray food coloring, great. I am going to use just 1 drop of black, and hopefully that will work for us to make a gray color. And then last but not least, you need all the decorations. So we need white melting chocolate. You can use chips or almond bark. And then you need, we're going to leave some of that white, and then you need some kind of blue. So I've got this dark blue, but it's more of like a royal blue, so I just won't use as much. And then also, I almost forgot, you need some V-Bucks printouts. It will be the easiest way. I found these online. I will post them in the comments below. And mine is about 2 inches big. I mean, you can make a bigger or smaller. And I am going to use the top of this lid because it's just about the right perfect size for the V-Bucks. So whatever you want. Like I said, this is a little over 2 inches. Okay, let's get started on our cookies. You want to take your softened butter and your sugar and blend that with an electric mixer until well combined. Okay, that looks good to me. So next we are going to add our vanilla extract and our egg and mix that up. That looks great. So now just let's set this to the side and get out another medium-sized bowl. Okay, to the second bowl, you just want to add your flour, your baking powder, and your dash of salt, and we are just going to whisk that until it's well combined. That looks perfect. We're just going to go ahead and add our dry to our wet and mix that up really good. That looks perfect. So now we're just going to separate that into 2 different balls and wrap them up in plastic wrap into little discs and refrigerate them for about 20 minutes. Here is what your dough ball or disc should look like. So I'm going to go ahead and stick those in the refrigerator for at least 20 minutes. Okay, so while our dough is in the refrigerator, we are going to move on and make our little decorations, the V's and the lines that go on the V-Bucks. So go ahead and take your white chocolate, and I'm just going to melt half of mine right now in 30-second increments in the microwave. Alright, our white chocolate is nice and melted, so now we're just going to take half of that and place it into a Ziploc bag, and then we're going to place a drop of the blue food coloring into this one to dye it blue. Okay, I'm not going to lie to you, this step is very time consuming. So after you've had your blue color and your white color, put those in Ziploc bags or piping bags, cut the ends off, and then you just want to pipe them on. See, I put my little thing underneath, my little cutout, and then just pipe on the white, then pipe on the blue, and then you can take a toothpick and smooth them if you get them fast enough. Some of them I didn't, some of them I did. And it's fine if your bag's dry. You can pop those into the microwave for about 15 seconds to melt them back up. Alright, it is time to get to work on our cookies. So go ahead and lightly flour a surface. I put a piece of parchment paper down first. I just think that's easier. And we are going to go ahead and preheat our oven. Okay, our cookies are out of the oven and completely cooled. Now you just take 1/2 cup of confectioner's sugar, add 2 tablespoons of milk to that, and then I added a little bit of black, just a drop of black food coloring to make the gray color. And this is the consistency you want. If yours is thicker than this, you can add a little more milk. Alright, here is what the finished product looks like. You just want to spread your icing out, and you kind of need to do it fast. If you just spread it out, go around the edges, and then fill it in, and then take a Q-tip or a toothpick and sort of fill it in. But you want to do that fast because, like I said, the icing dries fast. And then just go ahead and put your little V-Buck designs on the top, and they look so cute. So let's see what Taste Tester thinks. All right, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yum.
Do you like it?
Yes.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.